You know what'd even be cooler? You know what'd even be cooler? Unplug the motorhome, put the dogs and everybody in it, and take a ride to Ludington and have ice cream.
Whatever you want to do that.
What was the other place you said had Dairy Queen?
Baldwin. That's a nice ride too.
Yeah. When are we doing it? Tomorrow? Doing it whenever.
We can do it today. I don't care.
There's a chance to rain tomorrow.
We can do it today. We get back, get all settled in. I mean, the dogs could ride in it.
You didn't have dessert before dinner.
Right.
What's the matter with you people? You're not supposed to have dessert before then. No.
Me where it basically tells you that.
We're adults. We can have our dessert first.
No. That's like somebody eating cookies before they eat their sandwich.
Yeah, what's your point?
That's doable. You can't have some food after dinner still like me, then you eat it. Done.
Well, of course, this comes from a guy that eats the whole bowl of Jello or whatever it's like.
What's your point? Did we want to throw that all away? Okay then. I took care of the situation.
Okay, Claude, if that makes you feel better.
It does.
No, I think that's a good idea. Getting in the motor home. Might have to give you some gas money though, Claude. It probably cost you a little bit.
Depending on where we want to go. We can go to Baldwin, Dairy Queen, and go down through Bitely and come back. That way you can say you rode in the motorhome.
Well, I can say it now. I can say I really rode it.
There's Vaughn, sitting on her floating throne.
You see him back there, man?
Yeah, I just saw Vaughn.
See the traffic?
Yeah. That means we're close.
But we still got a ways to go. You gotta look for a big bank. You see that bank? It's about 20 minutes from that bank.
Yep. There's that bank coming up. Yeah, Tammy shot you down when you were talking about that earlier. She thought you said going to ball. First thing she thought of was Jones's.
Hell no. Oh, excuse my French.
And I'm telling you, you didn't clarify you were going to go to DQ. But you said
I said Dairy Queen in Baldwin.
after, at the beginning, you said you were going to go to Baldwin. And I know what she was thinking.
Oh no, we don't. No, I won't go there either. It's a terrible ice cream place.
We tried it once, Sam, and it was horrible.
Oh shit. No, I'm going to do it. Go right to the shore. Go right to the shore. Go to the center. Sam fell out. Go to the center here. There's a little bit of a current. There's a log right there. Sam fell out. Right here. What? She hit that log is what she did. She was doing good. We just got to get her kayak dumped out.
Okay, let me get somewhere. I gotta get somewhere I can stop.
Yeah, right here.
It's not shallow up there? I'm on the ground. You're on the ground? You want me to go up there?
I'm going across and over here behind this log.
I just hit a branch, like a branch knuckle, like a log knuckle.
She needs to do it. She needs to work her way over here where it's calmer. She's right in the eddy. No, she hit the log and I was right behind her and I grabbed hold of it and I got around it. Yeah, just go over here. It's calmer. We can sit here and wait for them to get reloaded. Or down there where that grass is right there on the edge. Yep. No, she hit a log that was sticking up and she just went right over. Well, that wasn't the issue. You know your paddle's upside down, Tam. Oh. Oh, okay. We're close. I can hear cars already. Seem pretty stable.
Yeah, they don't go as fast as these do.
I didn't figure it would.
So, I mean, that's why we're way back there, because they don't.
Right.
They don't turn like, they don't maneuver like those do.
Right.
I think I'll go online because, and see if I can find this same one like through Amazon or even Walmart online and see what it is to deliver right to the house.
Yeah.
Because you might be able to get the exact same.
Because I looked at,
Amazon, a little cheaper.
I looked at Walmart and the website, they don't even show them. So it's whatever they had in the store. Tamarack Pro, lifetime. Yeah, it ain't about speed.
No.
I mean.
But we can't keep, I mean, you guys were way up there. And,
Right.
but they are comfortable.
I'd rather, because my feet were like in here, I can't do like Scott was doing. I can't, you know, my.
See, I used to sit with my feet on top.
Yeah, but I'm not comfortable doing that either.